Hey, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today I have another video tutorial on how you could fix utorrent connecting to peers error or problem on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be showing you 6 different solutions and hopefully one of those would fix your problem. So let's go ahead and open up our utorrent client. Then go to the options, click on preferences. Go to by default, you'll be shown with these general options. Click on the connections options. And be sure to check the enable UPnP port mapping, enable not PMP port mapping, and also check the add Windows firewall exception. Hit the apply button and OK. Go ahead and close utorrent client and see if that would fix your problem. If that wouldn't still fix your problem, you could go ahead and go to the start menu and look for Windows Firewall. Open up Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. Then click on the Allow another app. On the path, click the Browse button. Type on your address bar. If you're installing utorrent by default, it's located by typing %app data %. Hit the enter button and scroll down until you see this utorrent folder. Open it up and click on the utorrent.exe or application file. Hit the open button and hit the add button. And be sure to check under the private and public. Be sure that the checkboxes are on, and this checkbox right here is on. And once done, hit the OK button. Then you've successfully added utorrent manually on your firewall. If you're using a external firewall such as Norton or other third-party firewalls, be sure to add them respectively and see if that would fix your problem. So if that wouldn't still fix the problem, go ahead and open up utorrent client. Then go back to the options. Click on preferences. Under the BitTorrent options, change the protocol encryption outgoing to forced. Hit the apply button, OK, and then close your torrent client again. Be sure to close the entire torrent client since it would minimize to tray icon by default. And then try again relaunching the client app and see if that would fix the problem. If that still wouldn't fix the problem, go back again to the options and click on the setup guide. Click on the run tests right here. It will perform a connection test on your utorrent client. So if your router doesn't block your torrent client ports, you'll be able to see your port is open, your network is properly configured, and just simply hit the save and close button and see if that would fix your problem. But if you see a port is not open, go back to the options and click on preferences. Under the connection tab, click on the random port or check the randomize port each start to prevent any routers from blocking or even your ISP from blocking your torrent client ports. Hit the apply button and OK once done. And again, restart your torrent client and see if that would fix your problem. If that wouldn't still fix your problem, go ahead and open up utorrent client. Then go to your web browser, open up this link. I'll be posting this link on the description, and we're going to update the torrent trackers on your utorrent. Scroll down till you see this torrent trackers high uptime trackers. Click on the copy button. Minimize this window. Right click on your torrent download. Click on the properties. Scroll down at the end of this particular torrent trackers list. Hit a enter button and just simply paste the copied torrent trackers. Once done, hit the OK button and then restart or try downloading your torrent clients again. You must have to put the torrent trackers manually on each torrent that you are downloading. If that wouldn't still fix the problem of having connecting to peers on utorrent, what I could recommend is you could try installing a different torrent client such as utorrent, since it's a open source and stable one. So go ahead and close utorrent. Download and install utorrent. I'll be posting the link again on the description along with the website. And try downloading using utorrent instead of utorrent and see if that would fix your problem or your downloads. And lastly, if the torrent's still not downloading or having issues on the download on this particular step at this current point, what I would recommend is that you must check if the torrent itself is still active or if it is dead. So if the torrent itself is dead or have very minimal seeds, then basically you'd have to find a different torrent in order to be able to download that particular file. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave your comments and feedbacks down below and like this video if this was helpful. And if you haven't subscribed on this channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to get updated with the latest tips and tricks on this channel. So till then, see you again on my next video.